Mr. Speaker, my question is for the Minister of Health. Today, nurses from across Ontario have travelled to Queen's Park because they are very concerned that your policies are forcing hospitals to lay off nurses, eliminate nursing positions, and not fill vacancies. They're also concerned that you broke your promise to hire 9,000 more nurses. Minister, will you take action today to stop the elimination of nursing positions in our hospitals, and will you commit to funding at least 3,000 new nursing positions in your 2009-10 budget?
Minister.
Speaker, I want to thank the member for the question because we on this side of the House feel the nurses are an incredible cornerstone of our health care services. In fact, it's their expertise and their skill, their dedication, which has meant so much for us to be able to drive down wait times, to be able to engage in new models of family health care like nurse practitioner-like clinics, which we have moved to. Speaker, that's why this government and the commitment of this Premier to hire 8,000 nurses in our first term has been a promise fulfilled. Speaker, in fact, we are at almost so far 10,000 nurses hired in the province of Ontario. And yes, the member is quite correct. We do have a plan to hire an additional 9,000 nurses in the province of Ontario. Speaker, we are proceeding with that. I can confirm that to the member. It is perhaps going to take us a little bit longer than we had originally anticipated, but I do want to assure that this member and all members of the House that we are proceeding with hiring an additional 9,000 nurses.
Thank you. Supplementary.
Well, Mr. Speaker, despite all the blubber and the rhetoric coming from the other side, I would suggest to you that the nurses have come to Queen's Park today to protest because they do not feel that the government policies are creating the new nursing positions that were promised, and they're also concerned about the firings throughout the province. We've seen 72 nursing positions gone from the Rouge Valley Health System. Sault Ste. Marie, 5 critical care RN positions, 2 oncology. Quinte Healthcare cut the equivalent of 45 full-time nursing positions. Cambridge will eliminate 30 full-time, and it goes on and on. Mr. Minister, if your government is not cutting nursing positions, then why have these nurses travelled to Queen's Park today to protest your cuts?
Minister.